Hercules Sealing Products is the industry-leading, value-added aftermarket supplier of seals, seal kits, cylinders, repair accessories, and tools for a broad range of heavy mobile and industrial machinery. The industries we serve include heavy construction, mining, aerial lift and crane, refuse, paving, agricultural, logging, material handling, and industrial plant applications. A typical piece of heavy mobile machinery, such as a large bulldozer or excavator, will have 4 to 6 hydraulic cylinders with an average of 8 seals per cylinder. If any one of these 30 to 50 seals fails in operation, a very expensive piece of machinery is out of action and losing the operator money. Hercules built its business model to respond to this essential customer requirement by offering a responsive next-day delivery service for these time-critical items, shipping over 1,000 orders every day. Founded more than 50 years ago in Clearwater, Florida, the company features a 72,000 square foot facility with a state-of-the-art automated warehouse. Hercules holds inventory of around 50,000 seals and seal kits used in more than 2,000 equipment models produced by over 100 mobile machinery OEMs. We can receive orders, and with a 95% certainty level, we will have the product in stock. We then dispatch the order for overnight delivery using FedEx and UPS and can have the product to the customer's repair shop by 10:30 a.m. the next day anywhere in the U.S. If we do not have the specific seal in our inventory, we are also able to offer our Seals on Demand program, where we custom machine non-standard and out-of-production seals as a service to our customers. Hercules also offers an industry-leading web store that simplifies the purchasing process and enables real-time access to inventory, part substitutions, and customer-specific pricing. Add to that the most knowledgeable sales force in the industry and engineering teams that provide customized, comprehensive technical expertise and guidance, and it's clear why Hercules is one of the leading information resources in the fluid power industry, selling to more than 8,500 customers annually in the Americas. Hercules is a one-stop source for replacement components for all main brands of machinery. And with a growth strategy focused on expansion into key markets, well-managed growth of the product portfolio, and a continued dedication to superior value-added services, Hercules is well poised to enhance its leadership position in the global fluid power industry.